Welcome to AGORACOM, the small cap epicenter on AGORACOM TV, a daily fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap space every morning at the open, so you hopefully profit from them and maybe find your next great small cap investment. It's August the 10th. I've been away for a couple of weeks on vacation, so sorry that you had to endure Paul for those 2 weeks, but I am back and I got three great press releases for you. Let's get straight to them. First, out of China, Advanced Battery Technology, NASDAQ, ABAT, they put out their second quarter numbers for June 30th, 2010. This is a manufacturer and distributor of both rechargeable polymer and lithium-ion batteries and electric vehicles. Here are the highlights. Revenues in the second quarter up 66% to $22.8 million. Gross profit 75% to $11 million. Net income, big number here, 315% to $12.5 million. Earnings per diluted share up 250% to 18 cents per share. I'm going to comment on that in a second. I really love that number. And finally, great balance sheet, $62 million in cash and equivalents as of June 30th. Here's what I like about the earnings number. If you can extrapolate that over 4 quarters, that's assuming that they don't go up and don't come down. If they can maintain that, you're looking at a company that's going to do about 72 cents per share over 4 quarters. They closed yesterday at $3.55, so that gives you a company at about 5 times earnings. Now, that's a big assumption, but also assumes that they don't keep increasing revenues, which in China is very, very likely. So keep it the same. You got a company potentially trading at 5 times earnings. Go take a look at that company. Do some due diligence. I like that number a lot. Next up, sticking with the resources space, Lakeshore Gold trades on the big board TSX under the stock symbol LSG. They announced that they're reporting wide, high-grade intercepts at their Timmins mine, including 13.55 grams per ton over 51 meters and 61.35 grams per ton over 15 meters. These are massive numbers. This is their 100% owned Timmins mine. They got some highlights in the press release. Too many to mention, but definitely worth taking a look at, especially hole 650-27, 127, which came out of a previously untested area, and 650-125, which the company says confirms continuity of mineralization and potential for increased resources grades. If you don't know much about the company, they say their goal is to become a North American mid-tier gold producer. They got 3 wholly owned mines in Timmins, Ontario. Great place to be because it's got history and great political protection for shareholders. Closed yesterday, 335, dead smack in the middle of its 52-week trading range, 437 on the high and 248 on the 52-week low. And finally, Slam Exploration is a former client of AGORACOM. They're saying drilling on they're getting drilling of Red Lake type gold grades at Reserve Creek, which is a wholly owned project in the Fort Hope area of Ontario. The company does trade under the stock symbol SXL. Here are some of the numbers. They announced a 16.85 meter interval grading 16.45 grams ton of gold. That's from hole RS 1016. The interval is included within a 47.5 meter core interval grading 6.58 grams per ton of gold, and the company says that individual samples range up to 274 grams per ton of gold over half a meter. Now, a little bit of full disclosure: A, AGORACOM does own 100,000 shares of Slam Exploration, and B, we did add another 100,000 shares of Slam Exploration yesterday after trade resumption because the company was halted yesterday. So that's full disclosure there. Closed yesterday 12.5 cents, 52-week high 14.5 cents. 52-week low, 1 penny. So there's some pretty happy shareholders out there. That's a wrap. As always, quality over quantity. 3 great press releases for you. If you're looking for more great small cap energy and resources companies, if you watch this on Global Investor, look below me or to the left. A lot of great press releases and webcasts for you to find your next great investment, or get stuff to the front page of AGORACOM. Watch the show. Take a look at the press releases on the front page, or get into our marketplace where you can find companies on all exchanges throughout North America. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.